Well, just thought I'd do you a quick update on the tree lilies. Obviously I planted these a fair while ago, and then they've gone into these deeper pots, so you can see they're nice and solid in there. But I noticed these this morning on the tallest one. I don't know if you can sort of see those in there. Let's just make out a couple of flower buds starting to form. So I thought let me just grab the tape measure. So that one there is, what's that, it's about 75 centimetres in height, the biggest, which is Anastasia. So that's the pink flowering one, and as is, those two are the pink flowering. So you can see they seem to be more vigorous than Miss Peculiar. So we'll have to just see how they go, but just sort of do you the update, as you might find it of interest. So if anyone's growing them yourself, there you have it, how they're doing in middle of April.